Would you believe me if I told you this is my first time going to a Mother's Day brunch? Well, yes, it was. Usually my Mother's Day, I will celebrate it at home. I'll get my gifts and I'll be at home, and my husband will probably cook for me, and that would be it for the night, which is good. I appreciate that. But this year, in my era of finding community, doing other things, meeting other mothers, I was like, I am going to go to this Mother's Day brunch with the other mothers around me in my community and see how that goes. This also gave me an opportunity to test that, looking put together muscle that I'm building. And I was like, let me go ahead and do my makeup. I love my eyebrows and my lips. So I'm going to go ahead and do my makeup, put my clothes together. This was a set, so this made it so much easier. And then we're out. Didn't get a lot of clips from the place itself because I wanted to enjoy the moment, but we did go to a rooftop restaurant, the Green Hilton rooftop restaurant, and it was great. Like, the food was alright, but just being in that environment, being around everyone, and just vibes without the kids was a plus. So I'm getting ready to go for a little swim because a part of taking care of myself and my health is also working on me, my body physically, and then I have an end goal with the swimming, but I really want to announce it yet. So I have to incorporate this into like my weekly routine somehow. So today is another day of the week, and Mega just okay swim. Yes, I have locks, and I'm going to go swimming. I have to figure out a way how to cover my hair, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do the swim cap. I'm gonna try the swim cap. I'm gonna put this stocking cap on just so I can cover it enough, and then I'm gonna put the swim cap on or not. But I'm gonna wash my hair soon, so I'm gonna swim anyways. Like, I can't let my hair stop me from doing what I need to do. Okay, just finished swimming, and it was decent. So I'm gonna head back home now and start the rest of my day because I do have some editing to do. I'll get that out of the way. I'm not hungry. A part of figuring out myself and just getting into me is putting myself together when I go outside. Not only make the kids look decent, but putting myself to go outside, fix my eyebrows, even though sometimes I'm like, this takes too long, but I did kind of hurry it up to get that out of the way and put on my clothes and get ready for go outside. So I'm ready early, which is good. I'm ready early, so I'll go ahead and pack my handbag with the stuff for the kids, and my hand look like I'm on lotion again, lotion on my hand, but yeah, and then we're good to go. Excited to go outside Friday. All right, so it's time for me to pack my handbag now. Well, actually, to get all of my stuff put in my handbag. Wasn't too busy, pretty chilled. Good to get outside sometimes. Touch grass, as the young people say. Touch some grass. Surprised I didn't wear my chain today again. Oh, I also forgot to put on setting spray, so my makeup was kind of sliding, but it's going with itself. I won't say I don't go out, but 2023, it is 2024, like now 2024, I think I'm stepping more into doing things outside, like basically what I want, rebuilding my life, meeting good people, hanging out with good people, maintaining friendships, going places. But if I go places there for like, I think that's one of the reasons why I never really used to go nowhere too. Coming up with my money, and it's like I feel like maintaining friendships cost, And when you have to go out and stuff, you have to have money for them things there. You don't want to always be the friend when somebody I pay for, or like be that friend that's you guys, I can't go because of XYZ, which old younger me would probably still go, but older me now is like, nah, if you can't go, you just can't go. No, that bullshit. I don't know how we got here because I was just saying I had a good time, but yeah, like being, whenever I do go out, I like being, you know, good people, entertainment, and I like the balance. Like it's not too much, minute everywhere, but you know, it's a balanced outing and things like that. So I like it, and I like who I'm becoming. So tomorrow we have a day planned. I didn't know I was going to do this because I never really did plan it, but I'm going to play kettleball. I don't even know what I'm going to wear. Like when my friend invited me, I was like, no, something I come, but I just don't know what I'm gonna wear. So I don't know. I'm trying to think if I have no. I wear shorts. What do you wear to those things? Maybe go work out. But yeah, I'm go there and make a fun. So it is the next day. I think I did tell me yesterday, so I'm gonna go play kettleball. Sports bra. I guess see what a sports bra. Hold up. I might need to take this off because I don't like how it looks. But this is my outfit. I know it's not cute, but it works. So I think I'm going to put on some sunscreen. And I know my one workout top already. So this may put on now. I used to love the bottle. But I feel like it's more iron. I don't know. But yeah. Like me, I think we're wearing like a tights, but me don't want nothing that cling to my body either. I wanted moisturizer, but we can't find a moisturizer with sunscreen. I can't find it. I saw the Neutrogena one and I never really bought it there. So I forgot to use the kids' sunscreen, put this on my face, and hopefully this works. And tip with this, when I'm buying the sunscreen, this expires in 2025. Get these sunscreen because the regular price for this is $20. I usually wait before summer and get them in clearance because I got this in Walmart on clearance because summer up. So you know, but make sure we get one we have like a year expiration, and this is 2025, so it makes sense to get this for the $10 instead of the $20 for the regular price, and it works. So that's how I know I'm supposed to have a Neutrogena one, because they buy two, one for me and one for them. I don't know where I put the Neutrogena one, unfortunately. Never mind. As I'm speaking, as I talk to you, I realized, so it's supposed to be in there right beside the other one, and I found this in the box. So even this, the regular price of $15.97, got it on sale for $8, and expiration is the same. Well, August 2024. So, but it works because after August I probably won't be using it, or it will be finished. So let's see. And this is Dry Touch, lightweight, clean feel. I don't have any moisturizer, so I'm gonna I have to put this on. It's supposed to be a mineral without white cast, and it's giving there's a white cast and you have on sunscreen. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get the Kroger's brand one. You know, the one that's the Kroger's brand that's similar to the Supergoop, the one that everybody read about, but it's more expensive and doesn't give you a white cast. So I don't want to pay for the Supergoop one. So I'll probably go to Kroger's and get the Kroger's brand and use that, because this is my second year using I'm a second year I use Neutrogena, and are the same thing. Better we did use the kids' own, because what is this? definitely look like a ghost, but it is what it is. I guess I'm ghosting.
No, I'm gonna explain what singles and doubles. Alright, so usually we play doubles, so it'll be 2-2, but we only have one. We have two of these. At the set. Yeah, the right one. Is it? No, nothing. Go walk with them. Which one was it? I'm prepared. Our neighbor job low impact. Exactly. That means if we come we do every Sunday then. Wait, sir? Come every Sunday. If we go up the stairs and look, if I go and go up the stairs. Come every Sunday I will. My aunt. I never know. I'm never know. I never know.
Okay, can you believe this was, well, no, you can probably tell from how I was playing that this was like my first time playing pickleball or anything related to this type of activity where I have to bat a ball over a net. This is my first time. I would rate it a 10 out of 10. Yeah, I think I'm gonna rate it a 10 out of 10 because it is low impact, as everyone says, and it doesn't feel too bad. It feels good. I like playing it. It's a form of a workout. It's just a form of getting, you know, your calories or your workout or get your body moving without having to do too much. So I don't mind it at all. I do need a lot more practice. As a matter of fact, all the way I played need that more practice. I think it was, no, I think they play better than me though. Like them can do what them can do. Me still, I'll learn. So I'm taking my time to learn it, and I'll continue to play it whenever, while we have time, we just meet up and play it because it was fun. And if you're out there and you're thinking about this, probably you see it online and you're like, should I play this? Like, me never know nothing about this. Me hear it all over the internet. Me, on the other hand, I wouldn't have seen it on the internet or TikTok or wherever. I just heard about it and I was invited and I was like, okay, cool. This is something that I can do, and you can do this with your friends if you don't want to do too much. So, and you still get a good workout. So definitely check it out. Packing for New York. The vibes aren't vibes. To show you how out of it I was recording this video with a bag of talking and my mic was off, unfortunately. So I'm going to summarize up what was going on in this clip. I was saying that bag that I just showed you, that Michael Kors travel bag, I wanted to use it to take to New York because I just want to have one bag alone. However, that bag is specifically a travel bag, an international travel bag, to put in maybe a laptop and some tech stuff. Where it concerns an overnight bag, I don't think it holds a lot for an overnight bag or for a weekend trip. It's not enough. When I tried to stuff my weekend trip items in there, it wasn't giving. So I had to change the bag that I was using and change it to my good old faithful backpack. I don't know if I have a clip in this, but I'm going to show you a picture of it. That backpack came through. Everything that I had held in that backpack, I didn't have any extra bags and it worked. It's a long week, alright, and I didn't get as much as I wanted done this week, but another thing that with my camera work is that my place is, it's just a mess. I need to clean it up. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna go ahead and try to let's see with this camera. I'm gonna try and get this place cleaned up while I can. When I put the kids on the bus, I'm gonna go and try and get it cleaned up, and then soon we can go from there. Yeah, I have 1, 2, 3 rooms. I have these 2 rooms to clean, and I need to make some lotion for the family. So but I have some made already, but I need to make some more, and probably some body oils as well. Yeah, and some lip gloss. Alright, so I'm not sure if I said that I made it back home, but I did, and I started cleaning. It's a lot, but for me to have a good weekend, it makes sense that I do it now on a Thursday to clean up between today and tomorrow, because we might have some company on Saturday night. So let's just get it out of the way. Okay, it's the end of the day now. I did pick up already. I had to stop and do pick up, but guess what? I'm gonna finish clean up everything basically. I'm just finish the bathroom right now, and I can get some stuff done. But I ended up forgetting to hop on my my meeting today. Like, I don't know, because my cleaner or something. That happened to you, and you completely forget. Me see the time, and I was like, it was not like 1. It was at 12 and at 1:30. I was like, I was supposed to happen a call at 12. Missed the call, and then I was like, it doesn't even make sense. I tried to sign on to it. It's probably already over, so I have to pick up back Monday. But I got everything done, so that's good. If you made it this far, add a purple heart in whatever comment you decide to leave. Catch me next week where we actually go to New York for less than, what is it? Went to New York for about 48 hours. Yes.